Hi, welcome to Canyon Professional Development Tip of the Day. So my name is Talia Thompson. I have been at GCU for about 2 years now, and I have some really great tips for you on productivity and time management. Tip number 1 is to make your bed every day. A famous admiral once said, if you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. And he basically gave this whole speech about how when you wake up and you make your bed, it's the first thing you do. It'll start this effect where you'll want to do more tasks and finish more tasks, and then by the end of the day, you've gotten so much done. Tip number 2 is to have planners and sticky notes and basically just to-do lists. Whatever it is that you prefer the most, whichever works for you is fine. I personally will use a planner to plan out my whole week, and then I will use this today's plan of attack. It has the most critical things, the would be nice, and the not a chance, and it allows me to separate into what I really need to get done that day and what I can kind of do but I don't need to get done. Tip number 3 kind of goes along with that. Basically just means split up your tasks. Don't give yourself all the hard assignments on one day. Don't make yourself cram in 7 hours of work. Allow yourself to take breaks. Allow yourself to put in a task that's maybe go for a walk or FaceTime a friend. Make sure you're including life too, not just the things you have to get done. My last tip is kind of summing up all of this, and that is tip number 4, which is just to know yourself and to pay attention to what you do when you're trying to get work and when you're trying to be productive. If you know that going on your phone for 15 minutes is going to spiral into an hour, don't do it. If you know that you taking this nap will help you for the rest of the night, do it. Just be aware of yourself and what works for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that these tips were helpful, and have a great rest of your day.